snow and rain we've had, if these trees were just waiting to...
Yeah, the ground was pretty wet.
Yeah.
More trees over there. I wish I'd have had my dad recorded on that conversation. He was excited.
When you first flipped it on, I thought your dad was trying to be funny.
No, he was... But I can see...
I realized pretty quick that he wasn't.
And now that I'm down here, I can see why. It's torn apart. We're not even to those buildings. He said those buildings are gone. Here's the pool.
Yeah, he probably really was freaking out, not getting a hold of your arm.
Looks like there's a tree down there. Yeah, there's a big old branch in the pool. And it is torn apart. The cover, it looks like, fell off. I'm wet, Juice. Police up there, directing traffic. Good shot.